Hello, my fellow Christians, and today we are playing IKEA, the 12th episode. Today we are gonna be finding. Never mind, it's just the NPC. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do. Oh, it's day. It's like a foggy day. Oh no, it's not. I'm gonna die. No, hell no, hell no. Oh shit. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Are you serious right now, bro? Damn, I don't care. I don't care about her. Okay, so let's see what's in this base. Because I maybe wanna explore it. I hope it's nice. Huh. No, it's just lights. No food. Today we are gonna be mugbanging. Just first let me find some food and then we are gonna be mugbanging. Yeah. I fucking hate this chat. Okay. So let's just find some food or something. I don't know. Because I'm hungry. Oh, there are new things to do in IKEA. Interesting. Oh. What the hell is she doing? What the hell? I mean, or seriously. Are you carrying me? Oh, some fish snacks. Merry Crisis. Ooh. I love fish. Snacks. Wow. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna try to get some food. Okay. Speed up. Okay, so sorry for that. We speed up and yeah. I think I hear an employee. That's because I stopped. And I'm kind of. What the hell was that? Nope. Get the fuck away from me. Oh, how's he punching me? Okay, guys. Now we got some mugbang. Wait. Let me just do some aesthetic. Okay, guys, so we are about to start because I found aesthetic music for mugbang ASMR. So let's go. Hello, guys. And today we are gonna do some mukbang. Okay. Okay, so shut up. Oh, this Bloxy soda is super cool. Okay, so let's try this hot dog. Tastes like shit. So let's try this motherfucking burger. Okay, guys, let's try it. Oops, sorry. I just unplugged this shit. Okay, so banana. Oops. Okay, guys, it's day. I finished my ASMR. I choked on a fucking banana. Oh no! Gosh. Oh my gosh. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and subscribe for more if you want to do. If you want me to do more of this. No? Yeah. Goodbye.
Are you serious right now?